Good morning. Thank you for joining me this morning to take a look at your weather around Randolph County. We'll take a look at what's going on around the nation, and I hope you got your coffee going. We do have a little bit of a Christmas show around the coast of Florida. You see all the lightning around here, these little pop-up thunderstorms in the water. So if you're waking up and you're drinking your coffee on the balcony, this is what you're seeing. As far as that, we do have a little bit of showers around the panhandle of Oklahoma and the northeastern part of New Mexico. Looks like in and around Iowa, northern Indiana, and Ohio, and Louisiana, northern part of Louisiana. And the only severe thunderstorm warning we got right now is north of Meridian around Philadelphia going into DeKalb. And we're talking 60-mile-an-hour winds and 1-inch hail. But other than that, this is what is going on around the nation. Guys, next couple of days, we are going to have pop-up showers around Randolph County in Illinois and Chester. The timing when these storms come, you can't really predict. These things will just pop up, and we'll take a look at the 48-hour composite reflectivity model on HRRR, just kind of give you an idea. Also, the next couple of days, it's going to be partly sunny and mostly cloudy in the evening time, but mostly sunny during the daytime. So if you're barbecuing and you are getting ready to cook the food and you hear some thunder, don't be surprised. So we will go ahead and take a look at what's going on right now in Chester. And we do have overcast clouds, temperature at 70, feels like 71 with a wind speed at 7 miles per hour, and the humidity is at 91%. So that is what is currently going on in Chester as of 6:06 this morning. Guys, here is your cloud cover. This is what it's going to look like the next 48 hours going into, I believe, Tuesday at 1 a.m. That is your cloud cover for Illinois and Randolph County, and this is what it's going to look like as far as your precipitation. These showers can pop up at any time. Last night we had it around evening time, around 5. So that is what we are looking forward to. As far as that, guys, it's going to be pretty decent the next couple of days where we don't have a heat indices into 100. So for today, Sunday, we're looking at upper 80s as far as your high temperatures today, and then we are going to look at a real feel around the low 90s. And then your low will be 71, pretty much covering the Randolph County area for Sunday. Monday, we're looking at upper 80s as far as your highs, with a real feel around 90 in the Randolph County area, and your lows between 68 and 70 in Randolph County. As far as that, guys, for the next couple of days, starting with today, like I said, anything in this light green from Northern California up to North Dakota in the light green shaded area, that's your general thunder. So these things could pop up from Idaho to North Dakota in this darker green, going through Montana. You're in a marginal risk with a slight risk in North Dakota. From the southern part, we're looking at around Lubbock to Dallas, going through the southern states all the way back up to New York in this dark green area. You're in that marginal risk, and then of course New York and Washington area, you're in that slight risk. But anything covered in the light green area, to include all of Illinois, you'll have general thunder, so these things can pop up. As far as your wind risk, we're talking from Idaho to North Dakota and covering the southern states. In this brown, you're at 5% as far as your wind risk. Right up here with the yellow and around the New York, Washington area, you will be in that 15% as far as your wind risk. And then, of course, New York area, you're in that 30%. As far as your hail risk, the only thing we got really significant is up here in North Dakota, where we can have up to 2-inch hail in that yellow area, in that SIG 1. And right there in the brown, you're in that 5% hail risk. Of course, from Lubbock to Dallas, you're also in that 5% hail risk in New York and Washington area. For Monday, Again, the southern part of Illinois, you guys will be in that general thunder, and then anything in this light green area, that's what that's going to be. And then around, looks like North Carolina and Virginia, you guys will be in that marginal risk. And from North and South Dakota going into Minnesota, you guys will be in a marginal risk for severe weather. For the next couple of days, we are not in a tornado risk as of right now, so that is a good thing. But as far as that, Monday, you're looking at North and South Dakota going to Minneapolis as far as your wind risk, 5%, and North Carolina and Virginia, over here, you're at 5%. As far as your hail risk, same areas where your wind risk is in North and South Dakota going into Minnesota. Guys, if you want to follow me, you can follow me on Your Weather, or just look for Billy Rose WX on Facebook, YouTube, and X, and click follow. Most of the stuff I get, guys, is on Weatherfront. It is a good app. It's got everything that you want on it. It is on Apple and it is on the web browser. Coming soon to Android. To get the full features of this, it's $9.99 a month. And it gives you everything from parameters to models to radars. So it is a good app to get, which is Weatherfront. Other than that, guys, that's all I got, and I will see you tomorrow.